And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can plan a trip in the Google Maps on your Android and iOS device. So we have to start from making some road. In my case it will be Zakopane. We can add a small stop. And one more. Okay, and this is our road. Now if you want to save it, just click done here and choose the 3-dot icon and choose add road to home screen. Now click add and go to the home screen. Now just tap on it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.